Ito guys, na magandang hapon. Meron akong gagawin dito guys. Yung aming CAD-CAM na si Rona. So ito yung problema niya guys. So ang nangyari, yung screw dito guys nabilog. So na lost thread yung screw niya dito. So yung sa panghigpit, yung alin kinapang higpit dito guys. So ngayon binuksan ko na siya. So ang ginawa ko lang guys. So ito yun. So ang ginawa ko lang, ang dumi nga ng ano namin. Lilinisin ko pa yan. So ang ginawa ko lang guys, bali dinrel ko yun. Dinrel ko siya gamit ko yung handpiece, yung high speed handpiece guys ito. Tapos ito yung ginamit kong pandil dyan. Dinrel ko lang siya. Nung nabutas, saka ko siya unti-untiin nilagyan ng inner nito. So ngayon guys, natanggal ko na yung pinakabara niya. So ayun o. So ayun yung pinaka tornilyo niya na drill ko siya. Importante kasi dapat yung maliit lang guys para hindi natin masira yung thread. So after nung nabutas ko na to, so ginamitan ko siya ng threader. So ginamitan ko siya ng threader na insakto dyan. So ayan, yung threader na ginamit ko guys ay ito. Ito. So ito yung threader na ginamit ko. Ayan. So yan. So yung threader na ginamit ko siya kanya. So ito yung sukat niya dyan. Importante wag masira yung thread. So ayan, medyo nakita naman yung thread na doon. Ano na siya, wala na yung naka-stack na ano. So natanggal ko na. So mahirap to guys pag wala kang tools. Pag ano kasi kailangan mo talaga nito, may tools ka na pantanggal nito na threader. So buti na lang meron kami. Nahiram ako sa ibang branch. So ito nahiram kong tools. Ayan. So ito yung tools sa namin. Sa kabilang branch. So hiniram ko muna. Ayan. Kasi guys, dami na ng tornilyo na lost thread. So kung makita mo guys yung tornilyo niyan, ganito. Ayan o. So ito na lost thread na pero natanggal pa. Ayan o, nabilog na. Kasi hindi naman din makontrol yung mga doktor gumamit. So sila naman yung nagtatanggal kabit nito. So ayan, bilog na rin o. So ito yung bago. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung bago niya. So yung bago, ayan. So ito yung bago niya guys. Ayan. Ano sa star screw. Actually, meron naman tong special tools na pang kabit. So ito yung lagayan niya. Nandito yung special tools niyan. Dito yan. Saan na yung special tools nito? So nandito siguro. Ayun yun. So ayan. Dumi pa ito. So ito yung special tools na pangkabit nito. Yan, star screw. Ito talagang kasama niya guys pag may CAD-CAM kayo, ito kasama niya. So ito na yung tornilyo yung ikakabit natin, yung bago. So ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan. So ayun na yung screw natin. Ayan. Ayan. So okay na siya guys. Ayan. Naikabit ko na yung tornilyo. So lilinisin ko na lang. So ito yun guys. Ito kasi napaka mahal tong makina na to. So, napaka-delicate din. Kaya lang, dito yung mga user, wala man silang pake. Basta sila gumagamit lang. So, kita mo naman yan. Sobrang dumi. So, dito, lumalabas na yung, ano dito, yung tubig, yung panggawa kasi ng ngipin to guys. Ayun, kung ganyan yung ano niya, ganyan yun. So, sukatan yung ngipin mo sa computer. So, ito kasi yung trabaho niyan. susukatin mo yung ngipin mo dito. Ayan. Tapos, yun na yung gagawa. Yung CAD-CAM na ito na yung gagawa. So, dito ilalagay yung ano guys, yung ngipin. So, ito guys, i-testing natin kung ito yung gamit namin. Ayan. So, ayun. Ito kasi yung ginagawa. Ayan o, halimbawa ito. Ito guys. So, dito ito ilalagay. Yan. Yan, ganyan. Tapos ihigpitan nito. So, ito yung sukatan. So, ito yung ano guys. Yan. So, dapat yan sapak. Both sides, they will miss your.
Why I'm telling, if there is any discrepancy,
Yeah, it will not. If there is a little bit misaligned,
yes.
kalas, you will make the calibration. I think this one. So the top. Minutes. No, it's okay. Water coming. But the bucket should be now start already the milling. What is in your design there? It will make this one here. Okay, nice. This water here, well, 10 minutes, yeah, there's a time here. 11 minutes. 12 minutes, including the alignment and initialization.
12 minutes. And here, maybe the glaze.
The glaze, glazing.
20 minutes. A crown will be ready to
Put in the kitchen. But how much that was?
This one was
1,500. For the crown.
single crown.
How many years will take long last one?
What?
This
Last
crown. For life? As long as it will not
This is
erode?
not lasting
Ah.
if done good,
Yeah.
don't take the good preparation and everything, not a factor,
Yeah.
it will last. You know what before we are doing for this technology?
Manual.
Manual what?
For grinding.
No, first this image, taking preparation with soft materials,
Like amalgam or putty.
Putty, and taking the putty pour gypsum inside, gypsum
Gypsum?
inside the impression, and then removing the gypsum. Okay, now we have model of material. That model,
Yeah.
after having this model, the last fixation,
Yes,
like
yes.
banal,
Manal, yeah.
not we are doing it over, not banal.
Before in Cuba.
Making wax,
Yeah, the wax.
putting wax to build this shape of this wax.
The wax.
Huh?
Then you will
By
put.
his hand, to measure.
But what is the the one they will put? We will make it not the same this one.
What?
The one you are putting in the wax. After the molding in the wax. The molding wax.
Wax, we're putting in molding machine.
Ah.
Wax dissolve and ceramic.
Ceramic.
Inside.
Ayan, inside. Ceramic.
Ceramics or air or
This-
aircon or any
This one is ceramic, doctor?
type of ceramic. Emax.
Enough. The best.
Look how long this whole procedure takes. We're making the impression.
Yeah.
Since it opens,
Before.
start to work.
Yes.
Yes.
I know it
Maybe
one.
if it comes fast, it will take 1 week.
Because we have before, if you did not say this one, we have a milling unit before. The old one, the Sirona old one. We have,
Feeling
yeah.
what impression.
But with this one,
This one,
We
not
can
feeling.
come.
Not feeling.
there is also milling. Wireless connectivity also that one. No, not wireless. This one there is cable, not wireless, cable. You just keep it in the one side there inside. Then we have cable connected to this one. Connected.
Now,
there.
الحاسة only in human manner working with all these another clinics when you're taking photo, maybe they have, but very few. Taking photo and send it by email for any lab.
Before, I remember Dr. Rehab, when our old machine had come, when we make in the Sirek, he's not doing this one. He is the one sending us to Cuba. I don't know why he did not use it.
This is why I'm almost 1 year waiting for this because give me chance to do what in my life.
Yeah, too much.
Sometimes I send photo. I send, oh, can you like
We have old one before, but very rare only use. Only the we have using, only maybe 2 to 3 times a day. Then,
Before
old. Then we discard. Then we have this one new M6 XL. 20 minutes. 60. For this one.
by using you can do what you can't do before.
Yeah. No need this laboratory lab.
And lab have very big limitation.
Limitation.
Finally, and the reputation. You don't like you are thinking.
Yes, yes. But this one, what is in your design there, it will send to this machine, and they will do automatically.
And we put in mouth without any
Yeah,
touch. That's just the implementation.
yeah. But you will glaze this one first, also there, in the glazing machine. That also 1,500 the cost. One to.
For stuff 1,000. Stuff 1,000.
100 for that stuff. For example, if the fruit is no more inside, can be glazed also or no more? No, implant this one. If for example the tooth is already removed, no more already, you can no tooth already, you can put only implant.
Implant and after implant you are using the crown.
The crown. Yeah, you can use it. I thought automatically implant and then canal.
Implant the you are a very similar case like this. Implant.
Yeah.
Drilling in the bone.
Yeah. But you're using the implant screw, titanium screw. Yeah.
Sterilize and waiting for this titanium screw becomes 1 unit of gold.
Yeah.
After this, you are putting crown.
But you can use reason in this side of but in the front now. In it? Also in the front? I mean, the front?
Problem have to remove. Okay? And you need the new food. It's like
Similar.
original. You are making copy before.
Yeah.
I'm making copy. The machine gives me copy.
Very nice.
Every patient we have doesn't have any. We need to see it is before doing. You can make it while design and see. Okay.
But 1,500 square foot. Ceramic pala to. Oh, see, it's become already like a tooth. So ito na yung process ng platform guys. Yan o, gumagawa na sa lang tooth. Para pang crown. So malalapit na sa matapos. So 12 minutes siya guys. 3 minutes na lang siya. Lahat na matapos. So ganun lang. At least gumana siya ulit. Add water. Yeah, remove the old one.
Remove the filters and clean. Every four cases.
Okay.
5 cases, you need to remove and clean.
Leaking? Need more? So it will continue only the process.
Make
So pag nag-interrupt, maybe na ano niya guys, kinakalibrate niya ulit. Pero yung time nung ano, same pa rin. Yeah. Yeah. Time daw. 3 minutes. We need to change the cover for this one. It's already broken. The water. The door. I sent already to Warakat. You know? I sent him again. No. Yeah, finish. They're ready. Alas, now it's working. Done. So this is the tooth. You will use here again the glazing machine. Then you will
put
glazing paste. Then it will like that. Then start kalas. And then it will become shiny.
Become same color of the tooth.
The same color of the tooth.
Not this color.
It will change the color for this one.
Yes. We put it over the tooth. You can't differentiate between. This
You can change the color of this one for this glazing, no?
The block that outside, there is color outside.
Yeah.
We choose from blocks.
This is the glazing paste. So how many minutes they have in the
According to the size. Now it is 30 minutes.
38 minutes. It's long time also.
Sometimes it will be 20 minutes.
Because this one is big. Big size, this one.
Mainly depends on thickness.
You will start going up. So I start already. That's only for the process for this one. And also it will appear here or no? Here in the
Still we have second tooth.
Other side man.
This patient they have to.
This one costly. Now milling ano na siya. Glazing para pumuti.